Huge difference here. In PC gaming, WAD is a Doom level. On consoles, WAD is a channel installer for the Nintendo Wii. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's identify your file. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest WAD cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. The WAD format is an archive for older video games containing textures, levels, and sound effects. Organized into data lumps, it is designed for fast access and streaming of game assets to optimize performance on legacy hardware. This format allows for efficient storage and the distribution of custom game content and modified game levels. WAD files typically employ a specific internal structure, often involving lumps, sections of data organized sequentially. These lumps can contain various types of game assets, each identified by a header or metadata. The format is designed for fast access and streaming of game data during gameplay, optimizing performance on older hardware. You will typically find Doom, developed by ID Software, associated with WAD. Windows can preview the image, but lacks the internal codec for true rendering. Windows provides restricted visibility into game resources, so proper access depends on modding tools. Open the menu by right-clicking your WAD file and choosing Open With. Test Doom if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the WAD file differently. If you cannot access the WAD file, no problem. Failure to open this WAD file usually comes down to 3 basic scenarios. Let's go through this quick list and check each one off. First, use Game Client. Open the file using the specific game client, e.g. Doom, Quake, that uses the game data. Next, use WAD Editor. Use a WAD editor, e.g. Slade3, to view or edit the maps and sprites inside the archive. Finally, check mod location. If a mod, ensure the .wad file is placed in the correct mods folder for the game. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.